गजाननं भूतगणातिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् आर्तानामार्तिहन्तारं भीतानां भयनाशनं विशतां कालदण्डं तं रामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पते नमः कुजण्डं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीके मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं गोष्पदीकृतवारीशं वशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे लीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। We are with Hanuman. दूतोऽहमिति विज्ञेयो राघवस्यामितौजसः श्रूयतां चापि वचनं मम पथ्यमिदं प्रभो। दूतोऽहम् इति विज्ञेयो. May you know that I have come here as a Duta, as a messenger. I have come here as a messenger of Raghava, of infinite, unmatchable strength. And please do listen to my words, the message that I have brought you, because these words are pathyam, are wholesome for you. It's good for your digestion kind of thing. Pathyam means pathya khana. I'll give you healthy food, not junk food. So I'm giving you healthy words. It's good for your health. Pathyamidam Prabhu, Lord. Lord, what I'm going to tell you, please listen with care because it's for your good, this message. And he looked doubtfully into the eyes of Ravana as he spoke all this. And deliberately, slowly addressed him with these words. Aham Sugriva Sandeshat Iha Praptastavalayam Rakshasendra Harishastvam Bhrata Kushalam Abravit. Aham Sugriva Sandeshat Iha Praptastavalayam. It is by the direction of Sugriva that I have come here and I have reached this mansion, this hall of yours. It is by his order that I have come here. O King of Rakshasas, Sugriva, the king of apes, your brother, inquires about your well-being. Bhrata, Kushalam Abravit. He conveys his well-being and he inquires about yours. Listen to the message from your brother, the mighty Sugriva, which is conducive to dharma and artha and to your welfare now and forever. There was a famous king named Dasharatha who had a mighty kingdom and elephants and chariots and cavalry and huge army. He was like a father in his care and concern for the people of his kingdom and for all the creatures. And he was equal in splendor to the Lord of gods, Indra. His eldest son Rama was a man of might, possessed with immense strength. Rama dominated the world. Always intent on doing what is good and what would please his father. In obedience to his father's command, he left his kingdom and he went away into the forest accompanied by his brother Lakshmana and his wife Sita. He walked the path of dharma. His wife Sita, the daughter of Janaka, the mighty king of Videhas, faithfully followed her husband, and then later in the forest she was lost. Seeking that lady, the prince Rama and his younger brother Lakshmana came to Rishyamukha to meet Sugriva. Sugriva promised to search for Sita. And Rama in turn told him that he would get him the rulership of the apes. Rama slew, he killed Vali in battle. And Sugriva became the king, the ruler over the monkeys and the bears. Tvaya vigyata purvascha Vali vanara pungava Ramena nihata sankhye sharenaikena vanara. I understand that you know Vali before. Vali, the greatest of apes, is not unknown to you, O king. And may it be known to you also that in that challenge, Rama, with one arrow he killed Vali. He needed no more than one arrow. See, it was that Vali who had caught Ravana and taken him all over to the four sides when he was doing Sandhya Vandanam, and then he had tied him up in the cradle of his son, Angada, so that Angada could play with like a small poochie. That Vali, Rama has killed with one arrow. Sugriva, true to his word, has dispatched apes in all directions to search for Sita. Thousands and thousands and thousands of apes are searching all over the world, in all directions. In the earth below, in the sky above, they are searching. They are warriors so swift and so strong that nothing can bar their way. They can get anywhere. And they are as fast as the son of Vinata, like as fast as Garuda. And myself, Hanuman. I am known as Hanuman. I am an ape. I am the own son of Maruta. Having swiftly crossed the 100 Yojana wide sea, searching for Sita, I came to your country and I saw her. I saw Janaka's daughter in your house, O king. You honored, sir, know all that is there to be known about dharma and artha. And you have done tremendous tapasya. You have great tapas in your credit. Somebody so wise as you should not keep somebody else's wife by force. Nai dharma viruddheshu bhagvapayeshu karmasu मूलघातिषु सज्जन्ते बुद्धिमन्तो भवद्विदाः. Sir, the likes of you, men of intelligence like you, buddhimanto bhavadvidaः, buddhiman like you, should not be attracted to deeds which are contrary to dharma, which are also attendant with great risks, and actually are bound to destroy them root and stock. मूलघातिषु कश्च लक्ष्मण मुक्तानां रामगोपानुवर्तिनां वर्तिनां शरणाम् अग्रतः स्थातुं शक्तो देवासुरेष्वपि. Who indeed is among the gods or asuras is capable of standing in front of the arrows which are shot by Lakshmana? Arrows shot by Lakshmana at those who have incurred the anger of Rama. King, there is no one in the three worlds who can afford to offend Rama and then still remain happy. This is the message of Sugriva, okay. And you should realize Sugriva's advice is very wholesome. And it's Trikala Hitam. It is good for you in all three kalas, the past, present and future for you. Because it is grounded in dharma. And it is meant for your prosperity, O king. And therefore, Sugriva says, please return Sita to Rama. Drishta hiyam maya devi labdham yadiha durlabham uttaram karma yachesham nimittam tatra raghava. Now his part he starts. Again Sugriva's message, now his message. The most difficult part is to actually locate Sita, and I have done that. Mayahiyam drishta Sita yet durlabham. I have done that, which is the most difficult part, which is to locate Sita. That has been done by me. What is to be done next? Uttaram karma yachesham nimittam tatra raghava. Whatever is to be done next, that Raghava will decide. But what you have done is, you have taken Sita like a person who takes a 5-headed viper and keeps it next to him like that. Even the gods aided by the Asuras could not kidnap her like that with impunity that you have done. Any more than a person can take large quantities of poison and drink it, even if he has the digestion of a horse. You have done a lot of tapasya, O king, because of which you have earned a lot of punyam. And you have these great austerities of yours has given you a long lease of life. Perhaps you think that this tapasya, these austerities have earned you immunity from the hands of death, from gods and asuras. You may have a boon of immunity. But in that boon of immunity, in that promise of that very immunity, O king, there is also the seed of a great cause of fear for you. For you must know, and you do know, that Sugriva is neither a deva, nor is he an asura, nor a rakshasa, nor a danava, nor a gandharva, nor a yaksha, nor a pannaga. How are you going to save yourself, O king? You have done great tapasya, you have done lots of dharma. The fruits of dharma, however, are never enjoyed together with the fruits of adharma. Dharma is followed by its own results, but dharma does not annul adharma that you have done. You have without a doubt enjoyed the fruits of all your punya that you have gathered. You have, O king. And now you will quickly reap the results of the adharma that you have done. Now that you know about the destruction of Janasthana, the killing of Vali, the friendship between Rama and Sugriva, now it is up to you to judge what is the best thing for you to do. I should tell you that I am by myself quite capable of destroying Lanka with all its horses, cavalries, chariots, everything. But Rama may not approve of it. For Rama has taken a vow in the presence of all hosts of monkeys and bears that he will uproot the enemies who carried off Sita by force. His vow is there. The destroyer of the citadel himself, Indra himself, cannot do a thing to the detriment of Rama. How then are you hoping to escape? Okay. She whom you know as Sita and are keeping in captivity is none other, take it from me, she is none other than the dreaded power of destruction. and she is going to destroy all of Lanka. Therefore, what you have done is you have put a noose around your neck, O king. And what I ask of you is don't pull it. Don't pull it.